In a dense forest filled with the melodies of chirping birds, a cunning nightingale once laid her eggs in the nest of a gentle crow. She did so, knowing that the crow, kind-hearted and unsuspecting, would care for the eggs as if they were her own. The crow, oblivious to the deception, incubated the eggs with warmth and love, believing them to be her own chicks. Time passed, and the eggs hatched. The crow saw no difference between her own chicks and the nightingale's, feeding them all with equal affection. The little chicks chirped and fluttered under her watchful eyes, growing stronger with each passing day. The nightingale, watching from a distance, waited for the right time. One day, when the crow was away searching for food, the nightingale swiftly flew to the nest. She recognized her chick among the others and, without hesitation, carried it away to her own nest deep in the forest. When the crow returned, she was puzzled and heartbroken to find one of her chicks missing. She searched tirelessly for days, calling out and scouring the forest, but the chick was nowhere to be found. Meanwhile, in the nightingale's secluded nest, her chick lived happily with its true mother. But fate had something else in store. Suddenly, the chick fell gravely ill. The nightingale, desperate to save her child, searched the forest for medicinal herbs. She fed her chick the most potent remedies she could find, but nothing seemed to work. The chick's condition worsened with each passing hour. As the nightingale sat beside her ailing chick, guilt struck her heart like a storm. She realized that perhaps the illness was a consequence of the deceit she had committed. With a heavy heart, she decided to seek forgiveness from the crow, knowing that only honesty and repentance could bring her peace. She flew back to the crow's nest, tears in her eyes, and confessed her wrongdoing. "Dear crow, I deceived you in my selfishness, and now I am paying the price. My chick is gravely ill, and my heart is filled with regret. I seek your forgiveness for the pain I have caused." The crow, though saddened by the betrayal, was gentle and compassionate. With a soft voice, she said, "I am hurt, but I cannot hold hatred in my heart. If you promise never to deceive me or anyone else again, I will forgive you." The nightingale, overwhelmed with gratitude, vowed never to repeat her mistake. As she flew back to her nest, she felt lighter, as if a burden had been lifted from her soul. And miraculously, her chick, as if sensing the purity of his mother's heart, began to recover. From that day onward, the nightingale lived with integrity, and the crow and she became friends, united by a lesson learned in honesty, remorse, and the power of forgiveness.